Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. This is the revision series and the topic for today is antonyms. So what are antonyms? They are the words with the opposite meaning. Synonyms are the words with similar meanings. So what are you supposed to do today? Using the options given below, you're supposed to provide the antonyms. I'll read out all the prefixes: dis, im, ir, un, in, ill, non, and miss. Those are the prefixes you are going to use, and see for yourself what you think is suitable. And of course, at the end, do leave your score. So now let me bring the questions in front of you. These are the 16 questions you have using the prefixes. You should definitely go ahead and be able to score full marks. It is at this point that you should pause the video. Okay, now I hope that you had paused the video because now I'm going to reveal the answers. Here are the answers. Let me read them out quickly. Willingly is unwillingly. Scientific is unscientific. Judge, misjudge. Comfort, discomfort. Possible, impossible. Regular is irregular. Literacy, illiteracy. Correct, incorrect. Agreement, disagreement. Detected, undetected, logical, illogical, transitive, intransitive. We did a topic on this. It's there in the revision series. European, non-European, rational, irrational, manage, mismanage, clear, unclear. All right, as usual, I'm going to ask you, did you score 100%? If yes, leave it in the comments. Or as usual, send your entries on my email ID happeningameya@gmail.com. We will meet again soon. We'll carry on with this revision. Do take care.